Welcome to the Prime Number Generator tutorial. Today we're going to cover how to run a list from another provider through the Skipforce platform to get higher hit rates and obtain the best time of day to call and which numbers are most active. If you have non-performing lists, like mostly wrong numbers, you're getting a lot of voicemails or no answers. We can run that list again to get better phone numbers, which helps you save money as you no longer need to purchase an entirely new list. Start by going to our plans and pricing page. You can see that if you sign up as a member, you'll get discounted pricing on skip tracing. For now, I'm going to sign up as a free member, so there's no monthly fee here. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or enter in your information manually. Next, you're redirected to the dashboard. You'll want to go to the Upload File button. From here, you'll want to enter in your credit card information in order to make the purchase. Once you sign and hit Continue, wait till it notifies you that your card has been added successfully. Then it will redirect you to the files dashboard where you can always come back to see your history of your files. Now click the Upload File button and simply drag and drop your file. Now click the Next button. A few quick notes in regards to mapping your properties. Mailing address is a must when it comes to mapping, as this is the best address to find the person you're looking for. Make sure to map the non-performing numbers in phone 1, 2, and 3. Non-performing numbers are usually wrong numbers, no answers, invalid numbers, or disconnected numbers. We can only flip up to 3 phone numbers per record. If you have more than 3 phone numbers, you'll need to add another row for it. This is an important part of the process, so be sure to take your time and do it correctly so you get the highest hit rate possible. Once you've mapped out all the fields, click the Next button and then Yes to confirm. From here, you'll have a few options to select from. Suppression will choose to not skip trace records that have been recognized in the system in previous file uploads. When you are using the prime number generator, you'll always be using the carrier database. Carrier provides you with the optimal call window, which tells you the best time of day to call, and number quality score, which tells you which numbers are most active. Lastly, you can choose to add emails for 3 cents per record to also receive the emails for your contacts. Now click the Next button, and from here you can see what the total comes to. Your actual purchase may be less than this, as we only charge for records matched. We never charge for non-hits. Now choose whether to pay using your credits in the system or use a credit card. Credits are often found through our promotional platform, where we make offers and specials year-round for you to choose from. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn and sign up for our newsletter to hear the latest offers, which could save you thousands on your skip tracing. Once you've selected your payment method, just check the box to confirm and click the Confirm button. Once you complete your purchase, you'll be forwarded to the page where you can watch the file progress under the File Status column in the table. Please scroll to the right to view this information. You can also see your hit rate count go up as the file processes. Please allow some time for this processing, depending on the size of your list. Now you can see that the file has got a 95% hit rate and comes out to a total of about $18. When the Output File button is ready, it'll light up and you can click it to download your file. You'll also see an email in your inbox once the file completes, notifying you that the file is ready for download. Now you can open it up to see the data that our proprietary skip tracing technology provides you with. Looking across the top row, you can see the name of the details about each record. You can see here that there are 3 phone appends. It also provides DNC and then provides a number quality score, which grades the numbers so that you know which ones are the most active over the last year, and then it breaks down each phone number by its level of usage from heavy to low, then gives you the best time of day to call the numbers most active. This is how Skipforce helps you get the best connection ratio of any skip tracing provider and helps you close more deals. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful and will allow you to use the Skipforce platform for your skip tracing. Be sure to leave us a review on Google, follow us on LinkedIn, and subscribe to our newsletter to get the latest offers and promotions. See you next time.